Have you talked to your attorney? Hi, my name is Vince Davis. I'm an attorney here in California. I've been practicing over 30 years, and I'm an expert in DCFS and CPS cases. You know, many times I take telephone calls and I get the same complaint. You know, I have a court-appointed attorney or I have a private attorney, and they're not returning my calls. They're not responding to my emails. And the only time that I get to talk to them is about 5 minutes right before we go into court. Well, I guess you don't have to be a legal scholar to know that that's not a good way to run a case. Whether you have a court-appointed attorney or a private attorney, you must talk to them regularly and strategize about the case. Strategize about the defense that you're going to put up. Strategize about the witnesses you're going to call and what those witnesses are going to be asked and what those witnesses will most likely say. And strategize about the exhibits, the documents, the videos, the pictures that you're going to introduce at trial or at any juvenile dependency hearing. This is extremely important. We're talking about your children, and if we're going to win the case and get the children back in your custody, you're going to have to strategize, you're going to have to talk about witnesses, and you're going to have to talk about documentary evidence that you're going to introduce into the court hearing. Here's the best way that I suggest you communicate with your attorney. You could give them a call and leave a message if they're not able to take your call, but you must do this additional step. You must go ahead and email them. Now in California, most attorneys have emails, and I think there was a rule that everyone have an email by a certain date and it be listed to the public. So getting an attorney's email is not difficult. You can just sometimes call the attorney's secretary and say, hey, what's John's email address? And you can shoot them an email. Always keep a copy of the email. It's a digital communication, so maybe you want to create a file right in your email and put all your communications to or from your attorney into that file. So if anything comes up, you'll have proof that it was sent and you have proof what the response was, if any. Now, you're probably watching this because you have questions. And I answer questions like this every day of the week. Give me a call and I'll answer your question and provide you with a free consultation. My telephone number is 888-888-6582. And help me keep this channel going by subscribing to this channel and liking this video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you at the next video.